Want to extend the life of your tires and boost your vehicle's performance? Let's dive into tire rotation. Tires don't wear evenly. Your vehicle's drivetrain and driving habits play a huge role. Take front-wheel drive cars, for instance. The front tires take on most of the power and steering, leading to faster wear compared to the rear. Regular tire rotation ensures even wear, prolonging their lifespan. But it's not just about longevity. Unevenly worn tires can mess with your car's handling, reduce fuel efficiency, and compromise safety. Imagine the risk of reduced traction when you're braking or cornering. That's a gamble you don't want to take. So, how often should you rotate your tires? Aim for every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, or check your vehicle's manual. It's also the perfect time to inspect tread depth, look for damage, and adjust air pressure. Balanced tire wear not only saves you money on replacements, but keeps your car performing at its best. Make tire rotation a part of your maintenance routine for a smoother, safer ride.